Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about crochet and knitting midi dresses. You can see different sizes and different varieties of crochet and knitting knitted dresses in this my video. They look very gorgeous and pretty, and you can easily buy it from market. Many sizes and many varieties are easily available in market, and you can also make it in your own home by using stitch in your own home by using different crochet and knitting technique. As you know, crochet and knitting midi dresses and dresses that falls below the knee and above the ankle. The midi cuff behind where it gets its name, and you can let me believe midi dresses are a fast stepper. Style it with retro sunglasses and sock booties. Layer it with a turtleneck and knee and boots. Style it with simple black heels. Wear it with purple boots. Style it with heels and paired styles, and you can wear over a crochet ending dress is a structure coat worn over a flared midi. Crochet ending dresses tend to look more traditional, flattering deposit the difference in length and construct. Short coats and jacket look great over straight and flared crochet ending midi dresses. They can be fluid, oversized to tailors, and mm, you can wear different sizes of shoes with your crochet ending midi dresses, such as sneakers, body boots, white boots, and many other different sizes of boots according to your choice. And as you know, you can wear different color of crochet ending dresses, such as green, blue, black, red, purple, yellow, and many other different sizes, as in off shoulder, cold shoulder, high neckline, and many other different sizes of sleeve dresses according to your choice. And you can wear these crochet dresses as a casual day, in your working day, and also in your many other different functions. I hope you like all these crochet dresses in this my video, and if you want to make these crochet dresses in order, please see the link in my description, touch the link and contact with us. And if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care, may God bless you. I pray love for your health and wealth. Remembers me in your prayers. Thanks for supporting us, and goodbye.